The engines on the eastern branch line were struggling, as Stratford had to go to the works for his monthly overhaul. So due to this, Mr. Turner asked Cherry to take over Stratford's place while Dean took over her work until Stratford returned from the works.
Oh, hello there. You must be Jonah and Worsdell. My name's Cherry, and I will be happy to help you until your friend gets out of the works.
Oh, thank you, Cherry. We'd be happy to have your help.
Well, this is gonna be a long week.
Worsdale! Keep it to yourself. At least we have company over.
Whatever. Now I have work to do. You slackers should get to work as well.
And Worsdale puffed away.
I'm sorry about him. He's always grumpy and doesn't like to show much happiness.
It's no issue. I'm used to engines like him. Back on the London, Brighton, and South Coast Railway, I dealt with engines who were like that. But to lighten the mood, want to hear a joke?
Sure, I like a good joke.
What do you call an engine who chews gum?
I don't know. What do you call an engine who chews gum?
A choo-choo train.
Oh my gosh, you're so clever.
Thanks.
So, for a few days, Jonah and Cherry talked and joked all day long, which annoyed Worsdale as he was barely getting any sleep.
Hey, have you met Gio? He's a new engine.
Yes, I've met him before. He seems quite nice.
We were talking about ideas for dealing with trucks and singing to them and whistling a tune. Do you have any ideas for a song or a tune?
Not sure. Let's get together later and come up with some ideas.
Do you two ever shut up? It's so early in the morning. I'm barely getting any sleep.
Hey, Jonah, want to hear a joke?
Sure. What do you have in mind?
What do you call an engine involved in a disaster?
I'm not sure. What do you call an engine involved in a disaster?
A train wreck.
Or off the rails.
Can you both stop slacking off and get on with your work? I'm sick of these annoying train puns.
That night, Cherry and Jonah were singing a song, and this started to annoy Worsdale.
We're really useful engines, you know. 'Cause Mr. Turner, he tells us so. Now we're on a railway to call our very own. We're really useful engines, you must know. We're the ones. We're the number one.
Will you both shut up? I'm trying to get some sleep.
Well, sorry, Worsdale. We were just having fun.
I honestly could care less. Goodness, this is more annoying than listening to Lizzie's stories.
Oh, come on. The stories were pretty good.
Pah, whatever.
The next day, Worsdale was still in a grumpy mood.
Stupid Jonah, stupid Cherry, and her cheery attitude and jokes. Well, she can take her personality and... Ow! Stupid slacking trucks! Oh my goodness, not again!
This is a fun branch line to work on. Oh yes, it's great to work on this branch line while we're steaming along. Steam, steam, steaming along all day.
Shut up! Just shut up!
Well, geez, I was just trying to make my work a little more fun.
I don't bloody care! Just shut up! Gosh, I can't get any peace around here, can I?
And Worsdale puffed furiously away, leaving a hurt Cherry behind. That night, Jonah spoke severely to Worsdale.
Worsdale! What are you playing at? Snapping at Cherry and hurting her feelings like that?
Pah! You really think I care about her feelings?
The way you treated her is no way okay. You need to treat others with respect. You'd be surprised with how much respect you'll earn if you do.
You can try and convince me all you want, Jonah, but I'm not gonna try and act like the nice one here.
I know what I'm talking about, Worsdale. Listen to me. This attitude needs to stop. I don't care if this is your general mood. It needs to stop now. Cherry's busy tonight, so tomorrow, I want you to show respect to her. Understand?
Pah! See if I care. Now I'm going to sleep.
Good night, I guess. Old grump.
But instead of going to sleep, Worsdale thought of a plan. A plan to pay Cherry out.
Yes, I will.
The next day, Worsdale was talking to Jake.
Now, can I count on you to push Cherry as hard as you can?
Why, yes. We can throw off the rails.
Perfect.
Soon, Cherry was taking a goods train with Jake, Loch, Cog, and Bobby behind her.
Alright, boys. Just like we did to Nathan.
Wait, what did you do to Nathan?
Oh, you weren't here for this.
Well, I'm sure we can get her into an accident.
Come on, let's teach her a lesson.
Now!
Oh dear! Help!
Oh no, you can derail me, Jake, but you will not derail my friends. Couple me up, I need to slow this train down.
Right.
Oh no, try again. Come on, mate, one more try.
Got it.
Oh, that was a close one. Are you okay?
I'm fine. Thanks. What's your name?
My name's Nathan.
I'm Cherry. Nice to meet you, Nathan.
You too, Cherry.
Oh no!
Don't worry, I'll take it to the works, then I can take a goods train.
Thanks, Nathan.
Cherry, are you okay?
I'm fine, but I'm confused. I've dealt with those trucks before. Why did they give me trouble?
I think I have the answer to that.
What do you mean, Aiden?
It was an engine by the name of Worsdale.
I will have a word with him later. But for now, I think Larry needs your help with his branch line.
Yes, sir.
Is he okay?
He's an introvert who only talks to the Great Western Railway engines. However, the only engine he trusts now is Larry, and he seems to be more happy with him around.
Oh, I see.
Later that day, Worsdale was getting ready to take a passenger train. When...
Worsdale! You! Me! Talk now!
Oh, crud.
I have heard about what you have said toward Cherry and Jonah. How you spoke to them was not okay in any way. On top of that, I've also heard you played a trick on Cherry by having the trucks get her into an accident. She could have been seriously damaged.
I'm sorry, sir, but Cherry was getting on my nerves. If she had shut up, none of this would have happened.
Just for that, you will stay in your shed for a week.
I swear, you don't get how much trouble I go through with these slackers.
I don't want to hear it. Go to your shed now.
Yes, sir.
After that, Worsdale was hushed in the sheds for a week. And to make things worse for him, Cherry and Jonah made fun of him.
You know, I think it's funny that you failed miserably.
You thought you could trick me, but your plan failed anyway. Do you want to hear a tune for my whistle, Jonah?
Sure. That is amazing. Hey, you got a good joke for me?
Yes! What do you call...
Make it stop! I can't stand this nonsense!
And I think Worsdale has learnt his lesson. Don't you think so?
You can try and Come on. Do you two ever shut up? Can you both stop slacking off and get on with your work? Oh. Excuse me. I honestly could care less. Goodness, this is more annoying than listening to...